Greetings from Finland. Well, at least for now. I'm currently on the ferry to Tallinn, and in Estonia, we'll be heading out to the riverside and souping up from Princess Boat. Greetings from Tallinn, Estonia. Well, as you know, I arrived by ferry here today. No, not today, yesterday. Yesterday I had a day off because I spent 2 days in Finland for a festival, and now I'm in Estonia. And today we're going to visit Lahemaa, a national park. It's the most accessible one, and maybe that's kind of lame because it's a standard tourist one, but they should have a pretty nice duck boardwalk. So let's find my rental car and then see how things go. Okay, here's my rental car. Actually looks nice. And it's clean because people complained inside it's sometimes very dirty. I arrived at the Raba parking lot and it's Sunday and there are so many cars. Oh, I don't like it to have company on my little hikes, but yeah, it's the most popular one, I guess, so it is like it is. Currently I'm here and this circular trail has about 5.5 kilometers, which 2.5 should be a boardwalk across the bog. And today we're gonna record the whole trek, not just part of it. For this trip I decided to just travel with carry-on luggage. So basically I have my backpack and that's it, which is pretty convenient on the airport and on the ferry. But I have only barefoot shoes and I already can feel every fucking little stone. Did you know that about 20 something, so 22, 23% all over Estonia are actually bog? And if I'm not mistaken, it's growing 1 millimeter per year. And I'm walking on 7 meters of bog. It would be interesting to know how many mosquitoes are pestering the visitors here during summer. It's mid of May. There are no mosquitoes at all right now, but I guess in 2-4 weeks it will be hell. Over there is the bird watching tower and there are so many people. Okay, I have to deal with it. I'm just wondering whether I would go on hikes like this back home. It's really, really, really breathtaking beautiful. Really. It looks like we're leaving the boggy area or the wetland. There's still bog, but it's not as wet as before. And the duck boards are in a way better condition here. Now we're leaving actually the bog, and this is mainly forest area, yes. 50% of the trail are done, and now it's only 2.5 kilometers through the forest, and then I'm basically back at the parking lot. Compared to my last winter hike in Finland, I uploaded, this trail is easy peasy, really. And yeah, there was basically no huge up or downhill. It's basically a flat ground. Well, the swampy part in the bog with all the duck boards, there are here and there a few parts that can be tricky, I guess, obviously in spring and autumn. And well, also there was one place, a lot of people had a break there and were sitting on a bench, and the duck board was basically right next to the pond. And it was not slippery because they had some kind of metal mesh on it. But yeah. Shortcut, normal way. as I still have plenty of time today, it's not even 3 o'clock. I just decided to go to another place. And so we're leaving Viru Raba, and now the next stop is the Jägala Waterfall. Hey ho, so it was a 20-minute drive to this parking space here. Nearby should be the waterfall. I already can hear it, but there's no sign in which direction. I guess it's the... Let's see. And I already can see it there. In spring, this part where I'm currently walking on is full of water, and yeah, obviously it's going to be summer, and because of that there's not so much water. Okay, I have to check how to get on the other side of the river, and then we can go down there. Yeah. Okay, now let's try to get on the other side for sure. But first I have to climb up the hill. So now I'm on the other side. It took me 5 minutes, 7 minutes drive by car. So basically 5 kilometers. I had to go all the way back to the main street, then cross the river via a bridge, turned right, blah, 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 and now I'm here. And not so far away from the waterfall, you can find a pretty nice rope bridge. Hoppala, hey. Well, that was fun, but a quite short attraction or experience. So let's head back to the car. And now I'm on my final spot for today. It's a so-called Kostivere Karstiala hiking spot. Not sure what it is exactly, because all around is just field, cows and stones, but stone is the keyword. Here should be somewhere some stone formations, and the river is going through the beneath the surface. Yeah, let's see. So what do we have to expect here? I see some rock formations, like I said, like plates between the soil. Pretty interesting. I don't know the reason. And it also looks that there's kind of the river. Let's find out. Yeah, there's definitely water flowing from that direction in here. And then somehow it disappears into the ground, I guess. Oh, I can see over there. It is what I was looking for. Wow, look at this. It actually is really like a mushroom. And here we have a bridge for whatever reason, I don't know. I can only assume that in spring the whole area is flooded, and then this so-called river I've read about is flowing all over here, and maybe for some reason they need this bridge here. So this is also really nice place. I can imagine that you come here with your family, fiance, whatever, your friends, have something to drink, to eat, stroll around, and then have a great time and enjoy nature. That was my first day in Estonia, where I kind of had a plan 2 months before. I just wanted to have just one day in Tallinn. Well, what I've shown you today, for me, Estonia, very underestimated. Beautiful country. There are way more things to see. And well, let's see what we can do tomorrow. Have a great one. Everything is massive here. Big, huge, wide.